morning, days. Yesterday's class we have learned how to write the numbers in usual form when it was given in standard form. Now today it is given in usual form and we have to write it in standard form. Always you should know it, standard form or scientific notation, whatever it is the same thing, where the numbers are written as a into 10 to the power n, where a is greater than or equals to 1 and less than 10. Is it? It may be 1 or greater than 1, but it will be always less than 10. It may be 9.9 but not 10. Okay, the value of a is 1 to 9.9. It cannot be more than 9.9 and it cannot be less than 1. That is known as scientific notation or standard form. Now if the numbers are given, how to make it between 1 and 10? Just have a look. The first number for question number 4, it is given 4392, then triple zeros. Now the number is very large. How to make it between 1 and 10? So what we have to do? We have to place decimal after 4, or I can write it 4.392 triple zero into. Now I had how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have placed decimal after 6 digit. So this will be 1 then 6 zeros. If I multiply, I'll get this. May I write this as this? Is it? Because I know the decimal I have placed after 6 digit. So if I multiply with 1 and 6 zeros, the decimal will move 6 steps forward and I'll get this number. Now you can see 4.392. Is it between 1 and 10? Yes. So this will be the scientific notation, 4.392 into 10 to the power 6. I have removed 0 because after decimal there is no value of 0. So like that we write it in scientific notation or standard form. You have to make it where to put a decimal, and if I put a decimal I cannot change the value. So what I have to do? I have to multiply with 6 zeros. So the value will be remain same. Is it? Look at next one. Once again I am saying you can see number B. It is given 16251038. Then after that there are 6 zeros. Now this is a very big number. How to make it between 1 and 10? So I have to place decimal just after 1. It will be 1.6251038, then 6 zeros. After how many digits I place the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12 and 1, 13. So if I write 1 then 13 zeros, I will have the same value. Or I can write it 1.6251038 into 10 to the power 13. This is the scientific notation. Understood? In this way we write the standard form or we write the scientific notation. We do not change the value. Only we convert it into exponential form of 10. Okay. So question number 4, you write it in the copy. Question number 5, 6 and 7. 5 and 6, you have to write it in the scientific form, and 7 you have to write it in usual form. So this 3 you will do it in the book only. You don't need to write it in the copy. You don't need to make columns and write in the copy. Only you will be writing in the scientific notation as well as the usual form in the book itself. So next day we'll solve question number 8, not 5, 6, 7. And 5, 6, 7 you don't need to write it in the copy. You write it in the book only. Now you see question number 4, the last one, it is given 45 crore. So 45 crore first of all we'll write as a number. Have a look how to write 45 crore. This AB is done. Look at 4, 5. This is given 45 crore. How to write 45 crore? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. We got 45 crore. So we can write it 4.5 into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Or 4.5 into 10 to the power 8. So these like this sums will come. You have to understand it, how to write it. The first, it should not be more than 10 and should not be less than 1, is it? That is 4.5 is a whose value is always between 1 and 10. Now question number 5's answers only I am writing. You can write it in the book if you want, or further also if you want you can write it. See, 651, it is given 420 seconds. How to write it in usual form? 4.2 into 10 square, because after 2 digits we are placing decimal. 1.8, after 4 digit we are placing decimal, so into 4, 10 to the power 4. 1.728, after 5 digit we are placing decimal, so 10 to the power 5. The next is 4 number. 7.8, after how many digit? 3 to 5 and 1, 6, so 10 to the power 6. Number 5, 6.5 into how many digits? 3 to 5 to 7. Sorry, 6.4, 10 to the power 7. And the last one is 6.4, 3 to 5 to 7 and 1, 8, 10 to the power 8. That only you have to write, nothing else. So you feel it in the book only, okay? So for today you leave it up to here. Up to question number 7 you complete in the book. 4 in the copy, 5, 6, 7 in the book. Repeatedly I am saying you. So next day we will be solving question number 8 and all. Till then, if there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Keep practicing, dears. Thank you.